From the long-throw flashlight to the waterproof hand flare, there are many essential gear items needed for search and rescue situations. Some are dedicated to serving one purpose, while others are for versatile usage. But you need to choose each of them carefully. To help with that, let's get to know some essential search and rescue gear items from our list.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear so that you can have the best experience.
An accurate satellite communication like Garmin-InReach-Mini 2 can save lives during highly hazardous conditions. This handheld satellite communicator provides global satellite coverage to communicate with one who matters, even in a no-signal situation. If you're lost, don't worry. Its backtrack routing features will guide you to find the right way to go. On top of that, its 14 days-long runtime battery will keep it alive for a long time. The LIFESABER is a complete set of rescue gear. That's the best way to describe this device. Wondering how? It's a strobe light, emergency siren, and a plasma fire starter in one simple gear. Not just that, with a simple tap of a button, you can trigger both the emergency siren to grab the attention of the emergency rescue team. Don't go anywhere. Its SOS beacon features continuously send location information to the emergency service center until you are found by the rescuers. When you are stuck in the great outdoors where the scope of getting help is scarce, the ACR Bivy-Stick will connect you with the emergency services and savvy personnel. This compact yet innovative gear lets you communicate with your family members or loved ones when phone signals are unavailable. It'll always ensure there's no communication gap between you and the rescue team. During an emergency, sending a signal to seek help from the rescue team can make all the difference. The COMET red hand flare will draw the attention of rescuers through its brightest flare. This hand flare can produce a bright red flame for up to 60 seconds at 15,000 candela, which is enough to draw any rescuer's attention. Plus, its unique and compact size adjusts any corner of a bag. With excellent image clarity and sharp definition, the Steiner-Navigator Pro is one of the best choices for rescuers. This stunning navigator offers a stabilized image, even if your vessel runs at its optimum speed. Besides, it won't damage itself after soaking in water and enables you to take it in even more extreme conditions. The NAR Responder Ballistic PPE Vest System is one of the most reliable body armors for first responders when they work in dangerous situations. This armor shields your body from several attacks and accidents while working as a rescuer. Plus, its multiple compartments allow you to keep rescue essentials in one place. On top of that, its high-class material ensures a long lifetime. How would you feel if a carabiner worked as a rescue multi-tool? Sounds rare, right? The OCTO Versatile Titanium Carabiner made this thing possible. This carabiner firmly supports while climbing a hill or a tall building. Besides, its integrated window breaker breaks car windows in an emergency. Anyone can also use this carabiner as a bottle opener, box cutter, and pry tool. ROTHCO EMT bag is a medical kit that the first responder mainly uses. This medical emergency bag has a vast space and multiple compartments where emergency essentials can be put together. In addition, its durable exterior shields medical equipment from any harsh conditions. Not just that, its numerous carrying options enable you to carry this bag without any hassle. Emergency water landing is one of the most common scenarios in the wilderness. In this regard, the Rapid RAFT inflatable boat can be a lifesaver. This inflatable boat is specially made for one person, but carries up to 400 pounds. So it can tackle any challenging situation with much needed protection in case of an emergency. The incredible thing about this inflatable boat is its inflation time, which is 1 to 2 minutes. From tackling survival situations to rescuing others, you will need a common yet essential thing, a knife. Especially for the rescuers, we have included the Spyderco-Rescue-3 on our list. This rescue knife is excellent for different emergency and outdoor conditions. Thanks to its VG10 graded stainless steel blade, it can cut almost everything effortlessly. Plus, its ergonomic handle ensures a perfect grip in any weather condition. A first responder has many things to do when rescuing rather than holding a flashlight or other sources of light. The ThruNite-TH20 headlamp will free you from this hassle and let you concentrate on other operations. This headlamp eliminates darkness like a flashlight and makes searching more flawless. Moreover, it's pretty comfortable to wear for a long time. On top of that, its brightness level can be adjusted according to preference. Seeking help from rescuers, you need something that draws their attention toward you. So the ACR-ResQFlare is a waterproof flare that can do that. This flare is visible up to 6 miles so that rescuers can see you from miles away. Plus, this flare can be used for an extended time until you get noticed by the rescuers, relieving you from the concern of its rapid energy decline. Accidentally, if it falls into the water, don't worry, because this flare won't damage after sinking into the water. Wouldn't that be great if there was a powerful flashlight that could adjust in the palm of a hand? Like this Dart mini pocket thrower, for instance. Well, long-throw flashlights are specially designed for search and rescue purposes, but they tend to come in a big size and shape. This flashlight is smaller in size, yet offers 600 meters of range. The most incredible thing about this flashlight is that it has up to 106 hours of runtime at a stretch. It's impossible to complete a search and rescue gear list without including the COAXSHER SR1 VALOR, a high-profile bag that can hold essential items in one place. This bag has multiple huge compartments where you can keep and access everything if needed. The fun fact is that it can be adjusted according to personal preference. Plus, it's comfortable to wear for an extended period. In an emergency situation, 1 second of delay can cause massive damage. In this regard, the ZODIAC MILPRO ERB300 can be the perfect solution. This inflatable rescue boat helps you reach the accident spot quickly. The incredible thing is that it only takes 3 minutes to inflate and quickly get ready to go for the emergency operation. Moreover, it can tackle up to 920 kilograms of loads while providing optimum performance. So that was all about Essential Search and Rescue Gear List. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button and share this video if you find it helpful. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. And to know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website, GoOutdoorZone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.